I'm Andrew with Concept. I'm here with Alex Cockman from ZEISS. Alex is with an application engineer with ZEISS in their hands-on metrology division. We're going to be talking about structured light scanners today. So Alex, tell us about the T-SCAN Hawk and what it can do for our customers.
Yeah, so the T-SCAN Hawk 2 is our handheld system. One of the great things about it is that it's handheld, meaning that you're able to go all the way around your part. If you've got really big parts, the T-SCAN Hawk 2 is really, really good.
So we've got a smaller part here, that we can demonstrate, and you get the reference points. And really, the nice thing about the T-SCAN Hawk 2 is it'll scan and then inspect, and then you can do reporting out of it in the software. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, so that's one of the benefits about being in the ZEISS ecosystem, is that you can do all of your scanning, all of your inspecting, and all of your reporting all inside of the same workspace. And so one of the big benefits with that, if you have larger companies that, let's say you have a lot of employees who are going to be using this, you don't have to teach them a bunch of different softwares to accomplish the same thing. You can just teach them one software and boom, there you have everything all inside the same software.
Perfect. So this is an example of an output right on the screen behind us. And so we've taken a previous scan of this particular part, which again is a smaller part. You could do much larger parts, but what's this example reference here behind us?
Yep, so this is our Jeep timing belt. This is just a great example of a part that you can go through, scan it, create a digital twin of it, and then after you have that digital twin, you can do all of your service comparisons, which are your color plots right here behind us, or you can do your dimensional checks, GD&T in color. Okay. That's also really important, and all the good stuff like that.
So red would be high spots, and blue's kind of low spots on your part here.
Yep.
What else would somebody use a T-SCAN Hawk to? What's the biggest part you think has been measured with one of these?
The biggest part?
Yeah.
I mean, you can measure airplanes with this. So you can measure really, really big parts with this.
And this T-SCAN Hawk 2 laser scanner.
Yep.
We've got the reference points here. And if you were doing something large like an airplane, you're going to need to maybe place some of those reference points. Help us understand that.
Yep, exactly. So the T-SCAN Hawk 2 isn't tethered down to anything. And so that's why we need to use a couple of reference points around our part to be able to give it its known location, right? So after we go through and capture all of our reference points, then we can go ahead and jump right into scanning.
Great, okay. For a larger part, then you might have to place some reference points around that aircraft wing, for example.
Yep, for sure. And we've got a couple of different ones. We've got magnetic ones. We've also got ones that you can put onto like a little adhesive strip. Yep. And so then that makes it a lot easier to place on reference points.
Got it. Okay, so the T-SCAN Hawk 2, portable system, handheld system, right? And you've got the freedom that comes with that, but sometimes people want a plug and play, push it once and forget about it type of solution. So we're going to take a look at the ScanPort next and see what that has to do.